CIOs look at a large piece of their business and how they approach their organization and what they're going to do and how they're going to focus and spend money. A lot of times you see CIOs focus down here at the bottom end in terms of bandwidth and network costs, some of the basic computing costs that they have to deal with. But as CIOs look at where they're trying to drive the business and helping the business be more productive, helping the business drive revenue, they actually start going up the stack and focus on employee satisfaction and customer satisfaction, the issues of productivity, and the costs related to implementation of technology based on people costs. And there's a number up there. It's 5 times the cost of the technology just to get people to put it in and use it, right? So it's not just that you're replacing a technology layer, you're actually having to get people to come along and use that technology later. So it's a usability issue here that is dramatic in terms of how you can actually implement this material in your organization. And then the top layer of this is all about optimizing business processes. And that's a fancy way of saying, how am I going to implement technology that will enable my business to run smoother, either reduce my costs or increase my revenue? Because at the end of the day, if you can't increase your revenue or reduce your costs, it really is no good reason to do a technology implementation, right? Those are the 2 variables that IT people deal with. So let's look at what unified communications brings to the marketplace. There's some technology cost savings in terms of IP telephony. Unified communications is built on top of IP telephony, premise conference and mobility. There's some productivity improvement issues in terms of group and individual collaboration. Those productivity things are really hard to quantify, but we'll take a stab at it this morning a little bit. And this whole concept of business process optimization. And this is where you think about human jitter and delay in your system. I mean, all of us spend time trying to find the one person that has the answer that we need to solve a problem. And a lot of what we do during the day is we place a phone call, send an email, and then we wait, right? That's where the delay gets built into your decision-making process. You wait for that person to call back. We'll look at some opportunities to change that paradigm as we implement unified communications. So those are kind of the basic areas of where we're going to focus this morning.